have in my hand a 1.5 amp switching power supply. So it support multiple voltage outputs from 3 volts all the way up to 12 volts. So to be specific, it's 3, 4.5, 5, 6 volt, 7.5, 9 and 12 volt. Also there's a total of 8 separate outputs on it. And also there's an adapter here which you can see it'll push directly in, and what that will do is that will actually give you a USB output on it here. So we just see the front of the pack, and we can see the back of the pack here, and just how it's blister packed, etc. We'll just put this out of the way for now then. So if we come along here, we'll just see the power unit here. We have the various outputs here, and what we can do is by default it'll be set to 3 volt output, which is the lowest input here. So what we can do here is we can just click it through and go all the way through. We'll say to I'll click it over here to 9 volts or 12 volts. And when I actually choose the adapter type that's going to work with the particular unit I have, just to show on the pack again, this is interesting here. It's given 2 dimensions for each of these here. It's given the overall length and the thickness. So the diameter is probably what's most relevant. So the large diameter is 3 millimeters and the smallest is 0.75 millimeters. Okay, probably the most common is going to be the 2.1s. So we come along. I have this here. It's ready to go in. You might need to adjust the pins slightly to get this to slot directly in for you. You have it in there now. You use it. You put it away again. The fact that you can support the USB output on it is quite a handy feature. If we just come along and we look at these particular units here, once we're finished with it, we can just pull it off and put it back onto the tray itself. So typical applications of it would be where you have lost the power unit, need to buy another one, and you're not exactly sure what type of adapter to have. Because you remember, you've been covered here in 2 ways. You've been covered by the full range of voltage outputs, which has to be an exact match for your unit, and also the full range of potential outputs on it. Now, interestingly, if you go for a 1.5 amp, that'll work perfectly on anything that requires a power supply up to 1.5 amp. So if you're using on a unit that only need a 1 amp hour power supply, you can still use this unit on it. So you can overspec the power unit in terms of amperage, but never underspec it in terms of the voltage, just match exactly what's required. That's why it's an adjustable switch here on it. So overall, we'll say the vast majority of people come onto our website buy exactly the power unit that they need. Okay, they don't come along and buy an adjustable one like this. But this one has its niche in the market in terms of you can pay a little bit extra, get this adjustability here, and it can also be extremely convenient if you have a very wide range of electronic devices, mix of power units, you're sick of having them all there, and you just want to have a single power unit that'll work with whatever camera or electronic device that you want to use at that particular time. This will do it all in a single thing, as well as giving a USB power output on it. So that's it, an overview of the 1.5 amp switching power supply unit available directly with low cost shipping from freetv.ie.